Hello, this is Jim Smith from GannAnalysis.net. Today we're talking about gold, spot futures, the August contract. And you can see if you fix on the low here from November of 2022, you can measure degrees up from low. 360 degrees up from low on the square of 9 is 1783. And if you do another 360, it's 1956, and so on. You can see here, we're highlighting the fact that you found support on a square 9 level. And today, since this is end of day data, when this closes the day, you'll see that gold is up here at 2374 on its way to 2522, 2727, 2940, or higher. I'm saying these are just resistance levels on the way up. We don't know which one will give you the high. We do know that when you get close to one, you look at it and watch to see how it's behaving. And from a Gann perspective, you would also look for Gann cycles that coincide with price resistance. If the two come together, you have a better chance of a high. So if you want the full report on this market, if you're interested in gold, I recommend you sign up for a 3-month trial subscription. Go to the website www.gannanalysis.net, hit the shop button, try it out for 3 months, beats a poke in the eye with a sharp stick. Now, if you do prefer a poke in the eye with a sharp stick, then just sit back and do nothing and watch for that soft landing that the Fed tells you you're going to get. It's not going to be a soft landing. Gold is going up. It's a house on fire. If you think that you're going to just sit back and ignore this, you might be unpleasantly surprised. So I'm just saying this is a breakout. You're above the 50-day moving average. You're above the 1x1. You saw what had happened when it did it before. So guess what? It's time to wake up and smell the coffee. Gold is on fire. Now, I'm not telling you this to incite you to go out and buy gold. This is just Gann education. I'm not telling you to buy or sell. I'm just telling you what Gann theory would tell you to do. So I think this is a breakout based on the 1x1 and the breakout above the 50-day moving average. I think it is a buying opportunity from a Gann perspective, but you decide what you want to do. I'm not telling you to buy gold. I'm just telling you this is what the Gann charts are indicating right now. So good luck in your trading. I hope this has been helpful.